Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel where we put the B-U in beautiful. I'm going to show you several muscles you can target using the leg press. And first up, we're going to target our glutes. What you want to do is place your feet towards the top of the leg press pad. You want to make sure that you put your feet at about either the first, second, or third dotted lines. And once you have the right positioning, you're just going to push off. Make sure that you're putting most of the pressure on the heels of your foot when you push off. Try to go down slow and then come up fast. Now, when you come up, you're not going to straighten up your legs when you push off with your feet. Your knee should have a slight bend to it. Okay, so now we're going to target the glutes again, but this time we're going to do isolation. So that means one leg at a time. What you're going to do is just turn your foot on an angle like so, and your body should be facing the same angle that your foot is facing. You want to make sure you get your proper weight. I suggest going light, like 50 pounds or so. Now, when you push off, you're going to do the same thing as you did before. Make sure that you're putting most of the pressure on the heel of your foot. Now, since this is muscle isolation, it is a lot harder, guys, which is why I do a light weight. And you will feel that burn right in your booty. You feel it more so on the under of your booty, and it's just amazing. Okay, so now we are shifting gears. I want to target mostly my quad. So you want to position your foot like so, more so towards the middle of that foot pad. And you're going to do the same thing as before. Anytime you use the leg press, when you're pushing off with your feet, make sure that you're putting most of the pressure on your heels. And you just push off. Make sure that you're not straightening out your legs when you push off, that you have a slight bend, and you will do well. And as always, ladies, make sure that you're staying hydrated in between your sets. And also make sure that you're taking proper rest. Okay, that way when you jump back into your sets that you're able to give it your all. So never cheat yourself, treat yourself. You knew. And now we're going to target the most neglected muscle, our calves. Okay, you just want to position your foot all the way at the bottom of that pad. You can keep your feet close together, or you can put slight space between them. Now, as you're pushing off, just put all of the weight in your toes and you just bounce back and forth like so. I recommend doing 15 to 20 reps. That way you can feel the burn in your calves. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, beautiful.